Link in the description for each product mentioned. The Instant Pot Duo 7-in-1 electric pressure cooker is a versatile kitchen appliance that offers a range of benefits for home cooks. Here are some of the best benefits of this product. 7-in-1 functionality. With 7 different functions, this appliance can replace several other kitchen appliances, saving you space and money. It can be used as a pressure cooker, slow cooker, rice cooker, yogurt maker, steamer, sauté pan, and food warmer. Quick one-touch cooking. The Instant Pot Duo comes with 13 customizable smart programs, making it easy to cook a variety of dishes with just one touch. Whether you're cooking ribs, soups, beans, rice, poultry, yogurt, desserts, or more, this appliance can handle it all. Cook fast or slow. The pressure cooking function of the Instant Pot Duo can cook meals up to 70% faster than traditional cooking methods, making it a great option for busy families. Alternatively, you can use the slow cooking function to prepare your favorite traditional recipes, just like Grandma used to make. Quick and easy cleanup. The Instant Pot Duo features fingerprint-resistant, stainless steel sides and a dishwasher-safe lid, inner pot, and accessories, making it easy to clean up after cooking. Safety features. The Instant Pot Duo includes over 10 safety features, including overheat protection and a safe locking lid, ensuring that you can cook with confidence. Great for growing families. With a 6-quart capacity, the Instant Pot Duo can cook for up to 6 people, making it perfect for growing families or for meal prepping and batch cooking for singles. Versatile inner cooking pot. The food-grade stainless steel inner pot features a tri-ply bottom for more even cooking and is perfect for sautéing, making it a versatile addition to your kitchen. Discover amazing recipes. The Instant Brands Connect app includes over 800 recipes, making it easy to find new and delicious meals to prepare with your Instant Pot Duo. The app is available for iOS and Android, so you can access it from your smartphone or tablet. Overall, the Instant Pot Duo 7-in-1 electric pressure cooker is a versatile and convenient appliance that can save you time and effort in the kitchen while providing delicious and healthy meals for your family. Link in the description. The Breville BPR700BSS Fast Slow Pro Slow Cooker is a versatile and efficient kitchen appliance that offers a range of benefits to home cooks. One of the most notable benefits is the color-changing LCD display, which provides real-time updates on the cooking process. This feature allows users to monitor the pressure, temperature, and steam release, ensuring that their food is cooked to perfection every time. Another major benefit of the Breville BPR700BSS is its 3-way safety system. The safety locking lid, automatic hands-free steam release, and safety valve work together to prevent accidents and ensure that the cooker is safe to use. This feature is particularly important for those who are new to pressure cooking or who have concerns about safety in the kitchen. The Breville BPR700BSS also offers a range of cooking settings, including 11 pressure cook settings and a custom setting that can be tailored to suit individual recipes. This feature allows users to experiment with different cooking techniques and create a wide range of dishes, from stews and soups to risottos and curries. The Keep Warm function is another great benefit of the Breville BPR700BSS. This feature automatically turns on after cooking, ensuring that food stays warm and ready to serve when you are. This is particularly useful for busy families or those who like to prepare meals in advance. The removable cooking bowl with PTFE and PFOA-free ceramic coating is another great feature of the Breville BPR700BSS. This makes cleaning up after cooking a breeze, as the bowl can be easily removed and washed in the sink or dishwasher. Finally, the Breville BPR700BSS is a compact and stylish appliance that will look great in any kitchen. With a capacity of 6 quarts, it is large enough to cook meals for a family, but small enough to fit on a countertop without taking up too much space. Overall, the Breville BPR700BSS Fast Slow Pro Slow Cooker is a great investment for anyone who loves to cook and wants to save time and effort in the kitchen. Link in the description for each product mentioned. The Ninja FD401 Footy 12-in-1 Deluxe XL8 QT Pressure Cooker and Air Fryer is a versatile kitchen appliance that offers a range of benefits for home cooks. Here are some of the best benefits of this product. Tender Crisp Technology. The Ninja Foodi Deluxe XL uses Tender Crisp technology to quickly pressure cook ingredients and then give them a crispy, golden air fryer finish. This means you can enjoy the best of both worlds, juicy, tender meat and crispy, crunchy vegetables, all in one pot. Cook for the whole family. With an extra-large capacity 8-quart ceramic-coated pot, the Ninja Foodi Deluxe XL can easily cook meals for the whole family. The pot is non-stick, PTFE PFOA-free, and easy to hand wash, making it a convenient option for busy households. XL air frying capacity. The family-sized 5-quart cook and crisp ceramic-coated basket can hold up to a 7 pounds chicken, making it easy to feed your whole family. The basket is PTFE PFOA-free, non-stick, and dishwasher safe, making it easy to clean up after meals. Deluxe reversible rack. The Ninja Foodi Deluxe XL comes with a deluxe reversible rack that allows you to steam and broil, as well as tender crisp up to 8 chicken breasts at once or add servings to layered 360. This means you can cook a variety of different dishes all at once, saving you time and effort. 12-in-1 versatility. The Ninja Foodi Deluxe XL offers 12 programmable cooking functions, including pressure cook, air fry/air crisp, steam, slow cook, yogurt, sear/sauté, bake, roast, broil, dehydrate, sous vide and keep warm. This means you can use it to cook a wide range of different dishes, from soups and stews to roasts and desserts. Safety features. The Ninja Foodi Deluxe XL has been rigorously safety tested to give you peace of mind while you cook. It features 14 safety features, including a pressure release valve, a safety lid lock, and a temperature monitor. Recipe book. The Ninja Foodi Deluxe XL comes with a recipe book featuring 45 delicious recipes to get you started. This means you can start cooking right away and try out a range of different dishes. Overall, the Ninja FD401 Foodi 12-in-1 Deluxe XL 8QT pressure cooker and air fryer is a versatile and convenient kitchen appliance that offers a range of benefits for home cooks. Whether you're looking to cook for the whole family or experiment with new recipes, this product has you covered. Link in the description for each product mentioned. The Prestige Popular Pressure Cooker is a versatile and reliable kitchen appliance that offers a range of benefits to its users. Here are some of the best benefits of this product. Durable and long-lasting. The Prestige Popular Pressure Cooker is made from high-quality virgin aluminum with stronger lugs and a thick base, making it sturdy and long-lasting. This ensures that the cooker can withstand regular use and last for years to come. Safe to use. The cooker comes with a set of safety features like GRS, gasket release system, and MSP, metallic safety plug, that ensure safe and hassle-free cooking. These features prevent accidents and ensure that the cooker is safe to use. Sleek and comfortable design. The Prestige Popular Pressure Cooker has sleek handles that provide a comfortable grip, making it easy to handle and use. The design of the cooker is also sleek and stylish, making it a great addition to any kitchen. Available in various sizes. The cooker is available in various sizes of cooking capacities, making it suitable for all sizes of families. The 7.5-liter capacity is perfect for large families or for cooking in bulk. ISI certified. The Prestige Popular Pressure Cooker is ISI certified, which means that it conforms to all international standards of quality and safety. This ensures that the cooker is of the highest quality and can be trusted for safe and efficient cooking. Easy to use and clean. The cooker is easy to use and clean, making it a convenient kitchen appliance. The user manual provides clear instructions on how to use the cooker, and the non-stick surface makes it easy to clean after use. In conclusion, the Prestige Popular Pressure Cooker is a reliable and efficient kitchen appliance that offers a range of benefits to its users. Its durable and safe design, sleek handles, various sizes, ISI certification, and ease of use and cleaning make it a great addition to any kitchen. Link in the description for each product mentioned. The CUCKOO CRP P1009 SB Pressure Rice Cooker is a high-quality kitchen appliance that offers a range of benefits to users. Here are some of the best benefits of this product. Exceptional cooking technology. The CUCKOO CRP P1009SB pressure rice cooker is developed by the finest experts and features heating plate pressure technology that is specially designed to cook exceptionally delicious rice with improved cooking times. This technology ensures that the rice is cooked evenly and thoroughly, resulting in perfectly cooked rice every time. Unique menu options. With 12 menu options to choose from, this pressure rice cooker is perfect for cooking a variety of rice types, including brown rice, white rice, gaba rice, porridge, mixed rice, and more. This means that users can enjoy a range of rice dishes with ease, making meal planning and preparation much simpler. Large capacity. The 10-cup, 20 cups cooked, rice cooker provides the perfect serving amount for larger families. This means that users can cook enough rice for everyone in one go, saving time and effort in the kitchen. Durable inner pot. The full stainless steel inner pot is scratch-proof, non-stick, and non-toxic. Its curve-shaped body provides optimal heat distribution, ensuring that the rice is cooked evenly and thoroughly. This also makes it easy to clean and maintain, ensuring that the rice cooker lasts for years to come. Smart cooking algorithm. The CUCKOO CRP P1009SB pressure rice cooker includes a smart cooking algorithm designed to automatically cook perfect rice each time. This means that users can simply add the rice and water, and the rice cooker will take care of the rest, ensuring that the rice is cooked to perfection every time. Overall, the CUCKOO CRP P1009SB pressure rice cooker is a high-quality kitchen appliance that offers a range of benefits to users. Its exceptional cooking technology, unique menu options, large capacity, durable inner pot, and smart cooking algorithm make it an excellent choice for anyone looking for a reliable and efficient rice cooker. Visit our blog for complete product information.